Introducing the Magento 2 Cash on Delivery Marketplace add-on, enabling sellers to add COD to their products, manage orders, and create invoices and shipments, while both sellers and admin can set custom COD rates. Sellers can collect payments and seamlessly pay admin commission from their own panel. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. This is our Magento 2 admin panel. And to enable the module, we need to go to Stores, then open Configuration. After that, navigate to Sales, and then select Payment Methods. Scroll down, and here we can see our module, which is Marketplace Cash on Delivery Payment Method. We can easily enable or disable it by selecting Yes or No. Currently, it is set to Yes. In this section, we can enter our payment method title. In this case, it is Marketplace Cash on Delivery Payment Method. We can also configure the Cash on Delivery amount title. In addition, we can configure the minimum order total and the maximum order total. We can also enter the delivery description. We can specify the country, or we can select all countries. Moving forward, we can select the order status for new orders, which is currently set to Pending. Then we can enter the sort order, which is currently set to 1. Finally, click on Save Configuration to save the settings. To manage the rates, we need to go to Marketplace Management and then select Marketplace Cash on Delivery Rates. In this section, we can see all the previously listed rate details. Here, the ID is displayed along with the destination country, destination region, post type, zip from, and zip to fields. The price type is also shown, and we can specify the price here. We can also edit or delete the existing entries from this section. To upload a cash on delivery rate using a CSV file, we first need to download the sample file and then upload it here. After that, click on the Add Cash on Delivery Rates button. We receive an error because the same data is already listed in the table. We can also manually enter the cash on delivery rates. First, select the country. Next, select the zip code type. In this case, there are two types, range and specific. We can choose zip codes from a target range to another target range, but for now, we will proceed with specific. After adding the zip code, we need to select the price type. There are two options, fixed and percentage. The fixed option represents a fixed amount that will be charged as the cash on delivery rate. The percentage option is calculated based on the product value as a percentage of that amount. For now, we will proceed with the percentage option. Then enter the weight from and weight to values. Now I'm going to save this configuration. As you can see, our cash on delivery rate has been successfully saved. To enable or disable cash on delivery for a particular product, we need to go to Catalog, then Products, and select the specific product. Scroll down, and we can see the cash on delivery option here. If we select No, the cash on delivery option will not be applied to that product. If we select Yes, the COD rates will be applied. Currently, it is saved as Yes. Now, let's move to the seller end. This is our seller end, where we can see the Marketplace Cash on Delivery menu option. When we hover over it, we can see three options: Manage Cash on Delivery Rates, Manage Cash on Delivery Orders, and Manage Cash on Delivery Products. Starting with the first option, we will review the configuration here. In this section, we can input the cash on delivery rates. There are two ways to add the rates. One is by uploading a CSV file, and the second is by manually adding the rates. Currently, I'm demonstrating how to submit the rates using the first option, which is through a CSV file. I have uploaded the CSV file here. Now I'm going to upload the rates. Since some rates already exist, I'm deleting them first. After deleting the rates, I will upload them again using the CSV file. Here, we can see that the cash on delivery rates have been successfully saved. Scroll down, and we can see the listed rates. This is the first method of adding cash on delivery rates, which is through a CSV file. Now, let us review the second method, which is the manual way of entering cash on delivery rates. In this method, we can select the destination country and the destination state or region. We can also specify the zip code type. In this case, I'm selecting range. In this section, we need to enter the zip code from value and the zip code to value. Then we can select the price type, which represents the cash on delivery charge. I'm selecting fixed and then specifying the fixed price, for example, $15. In this section, I will enter the weight from and weight to values. Then click on the Add Cash on Delivery Rates button. The price rule is saved successfully, and we can also see that our rates are listed here. From this section, we can also manage our products by deciding for which products we want to enable cash on delivery and for which products we do not want to enable cash on delivery. Here, I have some products listed. Let us select one product and click on Edit to configure it from the seller end. In the product settings, we can see the cash on delivery option. Currently, it is selected as Yes. If we do not want to allow cash on delivery for this particular product, we can set it to No. For now, I will keep it as Yes, and then we can save the product. Now I'm going to create an order using cash on delivery. I'm selecting this product, and here we can see an option called Check Cash on Delivery Availability at. We will enter the zip code that we want to verify to determine whether COD is applicable or not. As you can see, for this zip code, we are getting the cash on delivery facility. Let us also check another zip code. For the other zip code, since it was not added in the configured COD rates, this facility is not available. So I will proceed with the zip code where COD is available, and I'm adding this product to the cart. Navigating to View and Edit Cart, we can see a label that says COD Available. If COD is not available, it will display COD Not Available. Now, let us click on Proceed to Checkout. Next, select the shipping method and then click on Next. On the payment method page, we can see the option Marketplace Cash on Delivery Payment Method. We will select this option, and here we can see the cash on delivery charge that the customer will be paying. Now, click on Place Order, and the order is placed successfully. From here, we can also review the cash on delivery charge and manage the cash on delivery orders. From the seller end, we need to go to Marketplace Cash on Delivery and then select Manage Cash on Delivery Orders. In this section, we can see all the orders for which the payment method is cash on delivery. We can also view the order details from here. This is the order that we just placed. From here, we can ship the order. Scroll down and click on Submit Shipment, and the shipment is created successfully. From this page, we can also create the invoice. After creating the invoice, we receive an option called Pay Admin Commission. We can pay the commission to the admin from here. If we click OK, the commission will be paid to the admin, and after that, we will no longer be able to create a credit memo. Now, let us check the Manage Cash on Delivery Products section. Here, we can enable or disable cash on delivery for specific products. We can select the required products, and if we want to disable the cash on delivery status, we can disable it by selecting the option and then clicking on Submit. After this, for the selected product, the status is shown as Cash on Delivery Disabled. This is our product, and currently the cash on delivery option is disabled for this product. Now let us enable the cash on delivery feature for this product. After enabling it, we will refresh the page. Once the page is refreshed, the cash on delivery feature is successfully enabled for this product. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.